and if it's a CB, we will say it is a CB. Yeah.
What are you representing?
Good morning guys, we're now at King Albert Park Station and we are about to go to Bukit Timah Railway. Old Bukit Timah Railway Station. I'm here with my bro Jinan. Yeah. I mean staying at home must be so bored. So we just took this time to go for a hike.
All these feet on fire, heavy are your eyes and the weight on your shoulders, chasing after time. Something you can touch, but you know when it's over. No control when you're running blind. Gotta keep breathing, lose yourself in the feeling. Just be slow, just be slow. Take it back to that moment before you start to feel broken. Just be slow, just be slow. Try to let it go. Step out from the cold and embracing the silence we were never told. We can sink like stones when we should be flying. No control when you're running blind. Darling, you gotta keep breathing, lose yourself in the feeling. Just be slow, just be slow. Take it back to that moment before you start to feel broken. Just be slow, just be slow. Gotta keep breathing, lose yourself in the feeling. Just be slow, just be slow. Take it back to that moment before you start to feel broken. Just be slow, just be slow.
Bro, okay, so we saw like some cyclists. They were like bringing their mountain bikes up here, but bro, the road is like so like steep and uneven. I don't even know how they cycle here.
So you cut across. I think this road here we are talking about is here. The one outside. I'm not sure whether here the construction is over.
Say that again.
I think we should have gone now.
Shit.
Got people water here, got people chill here, bro.
What's this? Knockout. Okay guys, today we are doing a cleaning for the environment. Hey, ask uncle. Uncle, where to come out? Assembly area.
COVID.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Where?
We just go up next door already.
Ready? You sure?
Is he filming?
Yeah, it is. Got the red light means it's filming. Let's go.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, there's a path here. Hey, can go out. Okay, wait, I'll give Ricky a call. Hello, Ricky. Yeah, Jaren here. There's an exit lah, but then you have to climb up like another hill. Wait, I can't see you.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, okay, we can see you, Yeah. Yeah.
Good luck.
Okay, good luck. Bye bye. You say, oh, thank God lah. You know what? We have to go back again. My wife confirm kill me. Okay.